You're watching how to fix pictures not sending on iPhone from Messages app. First, check your network connection. Open Safari to a web page. If you're using cellular data, go to Settings Cellular and ensure cellular data is on. For IMSAJ, ensure IMSAJ is active in Settings Messages. Toggle IMSAJ off and on. A common fix is to disable and re-enable IMS. Go to Settings Messages, ensure IMS messaging is toggled on. If it's on, turn it off, wait a moment, then turn it back on. Also, check Send as SMS is on. Next, check your carrier settings. Go to Settings General About. If a carrier update is available, a prompt will appear. Restart your iPhone by holding the side and volume buttons, then sliding to power off. Turn it back on. If the photo is large, it may fail to send. Try sending a smaller image or use a lower quality option. In Messages, before sending, tap the image preview, then tap the low quality option if available. Another step is to reset network settings. Go to Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords. If sending to a non-iPhone user SIM ORMs, ensure your carrier plan supports picture messaging. Contact your carrier. Also, check storage. If your iPhone is full, it may fail. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage. Free up space. Finally, update your iOS in Settings General Software Update. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.